I'm proud to announce that BANAT has officially become our authorized Bosch Rexroth service partner for the repair of hydraulic pumps and motors. This achievement is the result of many months of preparation, but above all, many years of consistently building quality. We have continuously invested in our people, specialist training, diagnostic capabilities, machinery and repair processes, for all of which have been now independently verified and approved by Bosch Rexroth. Our multi-stage certification audit was completed with an outstanding score of 99 out of 100 points. What makes us particularly proud is that we did not have to create new standards for this certification process. Instead, Bosch Rexroth confirmed the quality of the processes and procedures that we have been successfully implemented at BANAT for years. As the largest authorized Bosch Rexroth service partner in Poland, we are able to provide our customer with even greater confidence in every repair. For work in full accordance with the manufacturer's official procedures, using dedicated assembly tools, factory service data and genuine Bosch Rexroth spare parts. This enables us to diagnose, assembly, adjust and test hydraulic pumps and motor with an even higher level of precision. Moreover, thanks to our direct access to genuine parts under the Authorized Partner Program and shorter turnaround times, we can in many cases offer our customers lower overall repair costs than even before. I would like to thank the entire BANAT team for their professionalism, dedication and passion. This certification is the result of the hard work and commitment for every member of our team. For us, this is an important milestone, but also a commitment to continue delivering world-class hydraulic repair services to our customer every single day.